Grant secret cook for Bill Clinton.
Yeah.
I've always wondered cooking for those.
Yeah, it was a normal night in the restaurant. You know, he was staying out at Milford in Queenstown, and we, the whole town thought he was going to dine at Milford, and we got an hour's notice. We got a phone call, and there was a booking already in there for 12 people. Well, obviously, we didn't think it was under the name of White. I remember taking the booking. It was an English guy with an English accent. Anyhow, we got the phone call, and within about 30 seconds, all the security arrived.
Yeah.
So but it was a normal night. Like the restaurant was full. We were full more often than not.
Yeah.
Hey, mind forget about Lucy over here. No, it was a brilliant night.
So it's the security I'm really interested in.
Yeah, big Negro men walked in and they were all